I'm here with John. John, can you tell me about this Z?
1971 Z, 240Z, wide body kit is designed by John Sabal, built by Turbo Hoses up north. It's my remake of the Devil Z, which is like from the manga Wangan Midnight. You know, where this car, whoever owns this car, they call it the Devil Z because it possesses the owner, and whenever they always like tries to kill the owner by crashing. The owner has to remake it and always tries to race against this Blackbird 930 Turbo Porsche. So this car is, again, it was a SEMA car last year, top 10 Battle of Builders car. It's a true Pierce car. It's an L series, an L28 that pushes 549 wheel horsepower. It does 580 wheel torque at 3,000 RPMs, goes all the way to 7,000 that way. So a large power band to work with. CD09 transmission, it's Apex engineering suspension, carbon ceramic brakes. Only Datsun in the world with carbon ceramic brakes. And you can see it's with the floating rotors, the PCCB style. Has NOS, which is functional, and those power numbers don't even include the NOS. Tons of billet parts of the car, like all the metal billet parts. You can see it's a titanium. You can see it's not like all those weld marks. This is made out of a solid piece of titanium. Valve covers, billet as well. That's all. You know, there's so many one-off things in the car. Plenum, we made it ourselves.
You kept the original light.
The surface light, and check this out. It works.
That's cool.
54-year-old light. Interior is totally, you know, and those are like Haltech switches. That even the shift knob we make ourselves, the counterweight shift knob with our Pitchfork logo on top. Custom switches in the middle. The interior illuminates a deep red, so it gives that evil vibe. There's a red underglow in the car. These switches even light up here. These custom billet. These are all, we made those all ourselves as well. Again, the NOS tank here is all functional.
Strut bar.
Strut bar we made ourselves too. Like I said, it's all titanium. You can see even has the our Pitchfork logo there.
And adjustable shocks?
It's on air.
Oh.
So it's on an air system, airlift.
Now, I noticed 3 exhaust pipes.
Yes, so this is like a custom titanium exhaust, and it sounds like a V8 actually if we get to start it up later because of the unequal length piping. It starts from a 3.5-inch downpipe, splits into 2.5s all the way back. And then the center pipe is actually the wastegate dump. They route all the way through the back. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. The plate, if you can get it, Z lived, that's Devil Z spelled backwards. So.
Yeah, wheels and tires?
Yeah, these are work wheels. We worked with the guys in Japan. We did, these are 18 by 13 in the rear, and it's staggered with a 17 by 11.5 in the front. And the reason why we did that is we were gonna go 17s all around, but we ended up with 18 because for the body kit, it filled the space up well. We felt like it was a little too much room prior. So, so it runs Toyo tires and three 15s in the rear, 275s in the front. And again, it's a 17 by 11.5 wheel in the front and 18 by 13 in the rear.
And what's it like to drive?
Amazing. It even has air conditioning. We put in air conditioning, and it has Bluetooth radio, but it rips really hard. The turbo noises are amazing in the car. We also designed this autoclave hood. There's only one in the world, but oh my God, you know, we went through so many iterations. We probably have $80,000 into just developing this hood. It weighs 8 pounds. Handmade the headlights ourselves. And then this is a little secret, but the frosting there, halos around the light, it comes from a vase from Michael's.
Well, very cool. Thank you so much.
You
It's
bet.
an incredible build.
Thank you so much.